If Google Chrome has been running slow on your computer, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and effective fixes that can make Chrome feel a lot faster again. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to find what's slowing Chrome down, free up memory, clear out old data, and turn off unnecessary features that can drag performance down. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open Chrome's built-in Task Manager. A lot of people don't realize that Chrome runs each tab and extension in separate processes, which means one tab, one extension, or even a background task can be using way more memory or CPU than it should. To open it on Windows, press Shift and S at the same time. A small Task Manager window will appear showing everything Chrome is currently running. Now click the Memory Footprint column or the CPU column so the items are sorted from highest usage to lowest. This makes it really easy to spot the biggest resource hogs. If you see a tab or extension that is using a massive amount of memory or CPU and you don't need it right now, click it once to highlight it, then select End Process. Just be careful not to close anything important that you still need. This one step alone can make a huge difference, especially if you usually have lots of tabs open. Next, turn on Memory Saver mode. This is one of Chrome's best built-in performance features because it automatically puts inactive tabs to sleep and helps free up memory for the things you're actually using. To do this, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Then choose Settings. On the left-hand side, click Performance. From there, find Memory Saver and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, Chrome will be much better at reducing unnecessary memory usage in the background. If you work with a lot of tabs open at once, this can seriously improve responsiveness and help stop Chrome from feeling sluggish after a while. Now let's clear cached files and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores a lot of temporary data so websites can load faster, but if that cache gets too large or becomes corrupted, it can actually slow things down instead of helping. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Set the time range to all time so you're giving Chrome a full cleanup. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Once everything is selected, click Delete Data. Chrome will remove the old stored files and refresh the browser. After this, some websites may ask you to sign in again, but this is completely normal and often worth it for the performance boost. The next fix is to disable unnecessary extensions. Extensions can be useful, but too many active extensions running at the same time can seriously slow down page loading and overall browser performance. To review them, click the three dots in the top right corner, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You'll now see a list of everything installed in Chrome. Go through the list carefully and turn off anything you do not use every single day. This is especially important for older ad blockers you no longer need, shopping assistants, coupon tools, or anything that seems to run in the background all the time. If you're not sure whether an extension is causing the problem, you can disable a few at a time and see if Chrome starts running faster. This is a simple way to isolate what's slowing you down. Another important step is to stop background apps from running after Chrome is closed. By default, Chrome can keep certain apps and processes alive even after you click the X to close the browser window, and that can keep using memory in the background without you realizing it. To change this, go back into Chrome Settings, then click System. Look for the option that says Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed, and toggle it off. This way, when you close Chrome, it actually closes. It's a small change, but on slower computers, it can make a noticeable difference over time because Chrome won't keep quietly using system resources after you're done browsing. So to quickly recap, if Chrome is running slow, first check Chrome's Task Manager and end anything using too many resources. Then turn on Memory Saver, clear your cache and cookies, disable extensions you don't need, and stop Chrome from running background apps when it's closed. These are some of the easiest and most effective fixes you can do without installing any extra software. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step tech videos. And if Chrome is still slow after trying these fixes, check out my other browser performance guides for more advanced troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.